I'm going to tell you a story. The story's name is The Dove and the Monkey. Once in a mountain there lived a group of monkeys. One day it was raining heavily in winters. The monkeys who were wandering around the mountains saw mulberry cherries and thought they were ember of fires. They came back to the forest hill and started blowing at the cherries. One bird was seeing them at the top of the tree. The bird said, "What big fools you are! These are my red colored cherries, not ember of fire. You will never be able to light fire with them." The monkeys thought that the bird was fooling them. One of the monkeys said, "Go away, don't bother us." But the bird stayed on as he wanted to help them. All the monkeys were irritated and frustrated of the bird's chatter and not able to light fire. One of the monkeys caught hold the bird's neck and smashed his head and killed him. Moral: never give advice unless you are asked for. Thank you.